Good medical morning. When you're a teenager, it's not unusual to have a pimple or two. But if you have large, red, and painful breakouts deep in your skin, it could mean you've developed something called cystic acne. These breakouts can be treated. Don't try to wait them out. Cystic acne can linger for years. It can affect large areas of your skin and leave permanent scars. A dermatologist can help you with a treatment plan.
But yeah, y'all, my face, oh my, it was scary. It was cystic acne. It was acne that was under the skin, deep, and it hurt. It was bad. Like, I had never had my face break out so bad.
So what is it? You get a pimple when a pore in your skin gets clogged, usually with dead skin cells. Sometimes bacteria get trapped inside the pore too, causing the area to become red and swollen. Cystic acne happens when this infection goes deep into your skin, creating a red, tender bump that's full of pus. It may hurt or itch. If a cyst bursts, the infection can spread, causing more breakouts. Let's take a look at some treatment and examples. We'll also show off the best comedone extraction kit around.
Love the whole shebang with that. You know, everything that had the most chemicals. I was like, that's what I need. I got so bored of being depressed about it.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new medical content all the time. We'll see you next time. Adios. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.
I want to thank Team Rest More for changing my life. Before Rest More, I felt like I could not go to sleep on time. I would get tired in the afternoons and I just was not able to function without a midday nap. Now I take Rest More before bed. It gives my brain the essential minerals it needs for that deep sleep, and I no longer need that midday nap, and I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better. I highly recommend it, so definitely give it a try.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.